It's Tuesday the 3rd of July, England are playing, so none of you are probably watching this, but you have voted, and tonight's video is going to be the roof terrace update, 60%. Hi everyone, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a quick roof terrace update for you. So this isn't part of the roof terrace makeover series. I'm just going to update you on how the plants are getting on, because I've had quite a few people messaging me asking how they're getting on in the heat wave, and we've had a bit of a drought here in the UK. So I just thought I'd quickly show you how things are progressing and what I'm doing to take a bit more care of them in this hot weather. So we'll go and take a look around now. Before we get going, if you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, let's go and take a look. Excuse the mess out here, things are looking a bit barren, but everything is growing quite nicely. I definitely need to give everything a really good water this evening, because as you can see, things are a bit dry out here. I've only just got back the other day and I've given them a couple of waterings, but they have definitely suffered. So this is the clematis that's looking very dry. Over here we've got the Christmas tree. These are really hardy. These are the box bushes that I got from Lidl, and these are actually back in store in Lidl. I think it's next week. You can get 2 of these, so 1, 2 for £20. So it's an amazing buy if you've got a Lidl near you. The evergreen trees over there are doing really well, and so is the heather. I've tried to keep everything in the shade a little bit. This one, again, I think it just needs a bit more water and it'll be good to go. This I'm going to take out of the sun because it's really not looking too happy. I'm going to pop in the shade here, but it has got some green on it still, so I think if we protect it from the sun, it will be happy. And I think I'm going to move this one as well before that one starts to go. This one's got some babies growing, which is exciting. I've just found this rose not looking very happy, so this is coming inside of some TLC. Let's pop that one there. The wild strawberries are doing alright, but they are looking a bit dry too, so we definitely need to get some water out here into that. And the pears are coming on quite nicely too. I think we definitely need to get some water into these trees. And look what we've got this year. Usually we've had squirrels, but I think they've moved away because of all the building work. So we've got loads of cherries, and these are all ripe. So I'm going to pick them now, and then hopefully we're going to make some cherry vodka with that. I've just got the ivy up there, and another box tree here. Right, so this one's coming inside. And you may be thinking, hang on a minute, I'm sure you had more plants than that. I seem to remember there being a hydrangea and a few lavenders. What's happened to all of those? Well, don't worry, I haven't killed them. I'm going to show you where they are now. It's bath time. So basically, I've taken in all of the ones that were looking very, very dry, and I popped them in the bath for a really good soak. So I'm going to fill the bath up just to their necks and leave them in here for a good half an hour, just to let their roots get a really good drink before they go back outside later on once the sun's cooled down, because they were looking a little bit worse for wear. So I'll add this rose into the mix here. But take a look at the hydrangea, how amazing. This was literally just twigs, this plant. It didn't have any leaves, and this is what we're getting now. It's starting to flower, so I know that that's going to spring back to life really nicely with this beautiful purple colour. How about that? Nice big handful there. So I think I'm going to attempt to make some cherry vodka with these cherries. Have any of you given that a go? If you have, any tips would be welcome in the comments below. And let me know how your plants are doing in the hot weather. Are they coping all right? What have you been doing to keep them hydrated? Let me know. So that's it for this video. It was just a quick update to show you how the plants are doing, and just to let you know that the roof terrace makeover is coming soon. I just need to spend some time out there getting everything sorted, but it is on its way. So don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new here to keep up to date with all of my videos. If you enjoyed this one, please do give it a thumbs up. Hope you're having a brilliant week and you are enjoying the sunshine, the amazing weather that's here in the UK, and I will see you very soon. Thanks for watching, bye. So I'm going to pop this one down there, but it has got some, oh, excuse me, I just got a fly in my mouth.